Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. And my topic is the power of laughter. Why humor is the best medicine. Ladies and gentlemen, have you noticed how laughter can turn bad day into a good one? How a simple joke or a funny meme can brighten up your mood and make you forget your worries. Well, you're not alone. Laughter is contagious, and it's also incredibly good as. Today I am excited to talk about the power of laughter and why humor is the best medicine. Let's face it, life can be too sometimes. We're constantly bombarded with stress, anxiety, and negativity. But laughter is like a breath of fresh air. It can sweep away all your worries and leave us feeling refreshed, renewed, and the best part, laughter is free. You don't need a prescription or a doctor's not to laugh. You just need a good sense of humor and willingness to let go. Now, I know you're thinking, but what about when life gets really too? When laughter is enough? Well, exactly when we need laughter. Of most laughter can be powerful coping mechanism, helping us to deal with difficult situations and find the silver lining. And let's not forget the social benefits. Laughter brings people together, creating a sense of community and connection. Laughter is indeed the best medicine. It's a natural stress reliever, a mood booster, and a social glue that brings people together. So let's make laughter a priority in our lives. Let's watch funny movies, read humorous books, and hang out with people who makes us laugh. And when life gets too, let's remember the law, and law some more. As the saying goes, laughter is the shortest distance between two people. So let's laugh together and make the world a happier place. Take a minute to think